Hey everyone, Rocky here. It's Sunday, November 8th. It's 3:04 p.m. and we are looking at the micro E-mini Dow micro futures. So we're in the Pacific Coast, so this is right when the market opens, right at 3. Quite a jump. We're about up 155 points, 0.55% compared to the closing from Friday afternoon. On the left, the usual, we have the time chart, 5-minute candle, and on the right is the tick chart, 512 ticks. So looking at the MACD, it is diverging, and it is above zero, so it's a bullish move. And RSI is also trending up a bit here. I'm a little hesitant to enter because it's a fairly bearish candle if you look at it. So they're not corresponding to each other, so there's a hesitation there. So we will keep watching and then let you know when I decide to enter a trade. Alright, I'm thinking of entering here. The candles are more corresponding to what I like to see from candle to the stochastic RSI and the MACD. So as the usual, I usually buy 4 contracts. So here we go. And as a reference, I'm gonna draw the usual vertical lines that I like to draw, just so we can go back later on and see exactly what we did and improve on our technique essentially here. So our average is 2362. It's about 3:13 in the afternoon on Pacific Coast. Just pay attention to this PL open, and hopefully we can get out positive and make some money today. Alright, I'll be back. Hey, Rocky here, back again. It's about 3:15 p.m. We've been on the trade about 5 minutes, so we're up about $28, $40. At this point, you know, I like to put an OCO. So OCO basically essentially is a stop loss on the bottom, since I am long, and basically, you know, as high as I believe we can get on the top of it. This way I lock in the profits, and it makes the whole trading very mechanical. So I have a preset of 16 ticks that I normally use. Basically just make sure that I'm above the cost of the trade. So 4 contracts, that's gonna cost me about $20 back and forth. So I'm gonna make sure I double that, so I at least have at least $20 of net profit itself. And this is usually where I struggle, because it's so close to the bottom, so I don't want to put the stop loss, but at the same time I should, because I want to lock in the profit. But that's something I'm still trying to improve myself. And the reason I don't want to just put it now, because if I put it now, I'll get stopped out right away, and I want to give it a chance to actually move up a little bit more. We're good here. Actually, I'm gonna do something a little different. I'll just do 3 where I know I'll lock in the actual profit itself, and then I'll do 1 where, you know, I'll give it more shot to actually go a lot higher. Alright, so I hope that makes sense. I put 2 brackets in. They both stop loss at 378, but one, you know, closes at 400 and the other one is at a higher number. Oh. Looks like we were we're able to hit that top one, so now we only have just one stop loss left. As you can see, this is our, what's open based on the one contract that's left. And what I'm going to do here is something I normally do, which is change that to a trailing stop. Give me a second here. And then for that one, let's keep it tight. And I'm just going to do just 10 ticks. There you go. So let's see how far this goes, and we'll just keep watching it. Sort of hope that the other three wasn't closed out earlier, but hey, you can't be greedy. Up $84 for the day. Let's see if we can hit 100 before we get stopped out of this. And it's going. It's really going. And there you go. So that was $87 gross profit. So with the $20, it's about $67 net profit for about 10 to 15 minutes of trading. So I'll take that. Can't complain. And let me just draw that other line that I normally place on the left here. Change that to orange because that's what I normally do when I'm long on a trade. And as you can tell, it's basically 2 candles here. Each candle represents 5 minutes, so it's about 10 minutes of trading really. 3 o'clock right here on this dotted line is when the market opens, and it's going real well. Anyway, just wanted to record this so you can see what really happened. So wow, it's actually going quite a bit up. I'm going to continue trading, and if you have any questions, please let me know, or any suggestions to help my trading, that would be very helpful also. Again, this is just for entertainment purposes only. Hope you enjoy this video, and don't take this as financial advice. Alright, have a good one.